Meaning of lending library.
Lending library.
Lending library.
Lending library.
Lending library. A lending library is a type of library where books and other materials are lent out to patrons, typically for a limited period of time. These materials can include books, magazines, DVDs, CDs, and other media. Patrons borrow materials from a lending library with the expectation that they will be returned according to agreed-upon terms. Lending libraries are often operated by schools, universities, public libraries, and other institutions and organizations to make educational and entertainment materials accessible to their communities.